SHAH Academy provides a playlist on designing fasteners in concrete based on Eurocode 1992-4. This series of tutorials aims to teach the process of designing concrete fasteners by hand to understand different failure modes and use free software such as Peikko Designer and compare the results. When using Peikko Designer, only products provided by Peikko can be utilized. Hence, the designer must follow the hand calculation steps outlined in Eurocode 1992-4 for custom geometry fasteners. This playlist covers the following topics. Video 1 provides an overview of the task and an introduction to Eurocode 1992-4. Video 2 calculates the tension forces in the anchor bolts and the plate area portion under compression. Video 3 is dedicated to calculating steel tension and concrete cone failure. Video 4 explains concrete splitting and steel pull-out failures, marking the end of verifications for tension force. Video 5 demonstrates shear verification by showing the steel failure of fasteners without lever arms. Part 6 explains concrete edge failure. The 7th part is dedicated to the calculation of concrete pry-out failure. In Video 8, the welder plate is modeled in the Peikko Designer, and at the end, the results are compared with hand calculation. Video 8 explains the modeling procedure in detail, but a shorter version summarizes everything. In the end, Video 9 will demonstrate how to write a MathCAD code to assist future tasks. Access the full playlist via the link in the description.